Prepositions, their meanings, usage, and examples. Part 2. 11. At. Meaning refers to a specific location, time, or point. Uses, used to indicate a specific place, time, or situation. Examples. 1. We will meet at the park. 2. The show starts at 7 p.m. 3. She is at home right now. 4. He laughed at the joke. 5. They are at work on a new project. 12. Before, meaning earlier in time in front of. Uses, used to indicate an event or time earlier than something else. Examples. 1. Finish your homework before dinner. 2. She arrived before everyone else. 3. The presentation is due before next Monday. 4. I stood before the mirror. 5. He had never seen anything like it before. 13. Behind, meaning at the back of, in a position further back. Uses indicates a position that is in the rear or less advanced. Examples. 1. The car is parked behind the building. 2. He stood behind me in line. 3. There is a garden behind the house. 4. The truth is hidden behind the lies. 5. The company fell behind in sales. 14. Below, meaning at a lower level or position. Uses indicates something is in a lower or inferior position compared to another object. Examples. 1. The temperature is below freezing. 2. The valley lies below the mountain. 3. His grades are below average. 4. Look at the comments below the article. 5. The plane flew below the clouds. 15. Beneath, meaning directly under something, lower than. Uses, used to indicate something is directly underneath or lower in position or status. Examples. 1. The cat hid beneath the bed. 2. She wore a sweater beneath her coat. 3. The river flows beneath the bridge. 4. He felt that job was beneath him. 5. There are treasures buried beneath the ground. 16. Beside, meaning next to, at the side of. Uses indicates something or someone is at the side of another thing. Examples. 1. She sat beside her friend. 2. The school is beside the park. 3. He placed the lamp beside the couch. 4. The store is beside the post office. 5. He walked beside me all the way home. 17. Besides, meaning in addition to, apart from. Uses indicates something is in addition to something else. Examples. 1. Besides the rain, the weather was perfect. 2. There's no one else here besides me. 3. Besides being tired, he was also hungry. 4. Besides the main course, we also had dessert. And 5. Besides her, no one knew the answer. 18. Between, meaning in the space separating two things or people. Uses refers to something in the middle or shared among two or more objects. Examples. 1. The keys are between the couch cushions. 2. She stood between her two friends. 3. There's a road between the two towns. 4. The debate is between two candidates. 5. We need to choose between these options. 19. Beyond meaning at or to the farther side of, outside the limits of. Uses refers to something that is further than a certain point or exceeds a limit. Examples. 1. The forest extends beyond the hills. 2. This issue is beyond my control. 3. The answer is beyond my understanding. 4. The town is located just beyond the river. 5. The results were beyond expectations. 20. By, meaning near or beside, through the agency of. Uses used to indicate proximity, method, or authorship. Examples. 1. The house is by the lake. 2. She was standing by the door. 3. The book was written by her favourite author. 4. He travelled by train to the city. 5. The task was completed by the team in record time.